We're Chuck and Lori. Pack your bag and join us as we explore Iceland. We're going to take you 15 minutes outside of Reykjavik to see Sky Lagoon. Cheers.
Cheers.
And experience the 7-step ritual. So pack your bag and join us. Iceland!
We're at the Sky Lagoon.
Yeah, I need to chill out because I'm pretty wound up. Sky Lagoon is literally just a few minutes drive from the center of Reykjavik. Unlike Blue Lagoon, it's a slightly different experience because they offer a 7-step ritual. You can feel the stress melt away just by walking through the doors.
I don't have the pieces of your heart.
It feels nice.
Buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares just gone cold.
Behind us is the bar.
The swim-up bar.
Swim bar.
Yes.
This is pretty awesome.
So the question is, what should we get?
I don't know. What do you want to get?
Should we get champagne, beer, wine?
I don't know. I have to get something. Let's go up here and see what we can get. You can order a couple of drinks right at the swim up bar. Yeah, beer in a spot. It's epic. The water was just the right temperature to be comfortable and relaxing. So, to Sky Lagoon.
And our anniversary.
Bubbles and beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
The beer's good.
Rosé Prosecco.
Is it good?
It is good. I like it.
This place is really epic. I know Blue Lagoon is the place everybody talks about, but Sky Lagoon is pretty cool. Or hot, but cool.
Actually, I think this place is even better because Blue Lagoon is quite busy.
Oh, the beer's good.
This is a nice place to go after a very long day.
Yeah. This is
long flight.
This is a great way to wrap up your first day when you're still trying to get your internal clock situated. We're right on the edge. Living on the edge.
With the ocean behind us.
Yeah, check this out.
You
Ocean down there.
don't be right here when all the monsters come on. I've got you.
After a nice dip in the hot spa, it's time to do something a little chillier. So here's the deal. We have the plunge pool, which is what temperature?
I may be wrong. I thought it was like 50?
50 degrees Fahrenheit.
I don't know for sure. I might be wrong.
That's right there. That's the 50-degree plunge pool. That's going to be a nipply experience. Oh boy. This is the view of the sauna.
It's a huge view of the ocean.
And the view from the spa is amazing.
Yeah.
Scrubbing.
We scrub. Scrub and rinse. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
But not your face.
10-4.
Let's go into the steam room. Nice seeing you in the steam room.
I don't think I can stay in here too long.
Steam room, there goes. But give me steam.
I know. So you may not want to be in here more than like, what, 10 minutes?
The steam cam. Well, the 7-step thing's pretty epic. It was good.
So I was going to say, if we came back,
You do it
I
again?
might consider coming here again.
Yeah, I like this place.
I think it was fun. It was fun. It's relaxing, and it doesn't seem like overly crowded.
No, it's not so bad.
And everybody seemed friendly enough as far as the staff.
People seem pretty chill.
Okay,
It's the fizzy bubbly. Cheers. Okay, let's discuss this. This is a really good experience. I liked it. And there are a couple of benefits to this place that I think Blue Lagoon may not have. Right?
So the Blue Lagoon, the water is very blue.
It is very blue. It's
I
very
believe
cool
that's
looking.
because of the, is it called silica, I believe?
Silica, yeah, which tears up your
So,
painted
so
nails.
they said it's bad for nail polish and actually bad for your hair.
Yeah.
Because it makes your hair really stiff and hard to comb through.
Yeah, I don't think that's good. And then,
And I think there's something else. I'm trying to think what that was. There's the third thing. Oh, it's really, really hard on jewelry.
yeah, it tears up your jewelry.
Which actually,
Your stuff looks okay right now.
and it's been in the water.
Yeah.
Both Chuck and I wear contacts, and we heard that at the Blue Lagoon, if you wear contacts, you might want to take them out. But we were a little bit worried because then you don't get the whole experience
Because you can't see.
you can't see as well.
But we have contacts and we can see just fine here at Sky Lagoon.
There's no problem with contacts.
Yeah, it's totally fine. So this place wins big on that, for sure.